Hey everyone, it's Carrie over at Double Click. Welcome back to my craft room. Today I'm joining in two hashtags. The first one is hosted by Mary Ellen's Crafts and Hauls. Her hashtag is Project Share Thursday. I'm also joining in Jen at Sassy Southern NC Girl. Her hashtag is Crafty Thursday. These are both open collaborations where you can share the projects that you've been working on. Both of their channels will be listed down below. My daughter asked if I would make a baby album for one of her professors. They are not finding out the gender of the baby, so I did have to make this gender neutral. I decided to go with the green and yellow theme. I used large white envelopes to create the album. Let me go ahead and show you the cover. I think it came out so super cute. I did do some binding on the side, and that is where I added in my dangle. It's so cute. I do have a ribbon closure on both sides, and I left it nice and long so that as they fill it, they will have plenty of room to still keep it closed. The first page is the announcement. I included some of the birth facts, what they've been waiting for, and information about where they're from. I have little pockets with clips and cuteness. My daughter did ask me to make the album a month by month. Every single page has one of the months, so this is month number 1. I left pockets in most of the pages as well as areas to put the photo. I did slice just a sliver of the envelopes, so she will be able to tuck notes and photos in. I made one tag just so she knows that the tops are open. Here we have months 2 and 3. With the clips, I was able to use a lot of my supplies in this album. I used a lot of little tags and clips and ephemera pieces. This is a little bag. I added in this large pocket, and I did do tabs on each page. Here we have months 4 and 5. I did a lot of ribbon and trim on this album. We have a little side tuck pocket here. I made this little envelope with a Velcro, put some notes in. We have months 6 and 7. We have another little envelope. This is months 8 and 9. I had these little pockets that I made flat to fill lots of cards with. This is months 10 and 11. And here we have month 12, which is the first birthday. I also have this little card down here that does flip open. This is the back page, which I built a side pocket, and that is to add bigger pieces of ephemera and tags in. I did put the closure on the back. That is my project share for the hashtags Crafty Thursday and Project Share Thursday, hosted by Jen and Mary Ellen. I thank you both for having these open collaborations so we are able to share our projects and check out other projects that crafters are creating. I thank you guys so much for stopping by my craft room, and have a great day. Bye guys.